How to create and add a private story on Snapchat app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create and add a private story easily and fast on Snapchat. So first thing, go to Snapchat. Now this is the home page. As you can see, go to the top corner and click on your avatar. Now this is my profile. Now if you want to add story, usually you click here on add to my story, but this time all what you have to do is click on add, from here private story, and choose the people that you want to see it, and then you will be able to post it and no one can see it, just the people that you choose. And yeah, it's very easy. As I said, click on private story and choose people and click add. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.